Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just doing a quick unboxing video. It's actually for my PAM00312, but just want to do this unboxing even though I've owned it for a while already, to show you guys what's inside the package for a Panerai watch. And the pen that I'm owning now, it's roughly about 9 years now. It's from a 2012 model, so I think roughly for Panerai boxes, they are actually roughly the same. There's not much difference. So as you can see, the box is actually made of wooden. It's quite a nice box itself. So this is the front, the sides, and just the back. So to show you guys. Okay, so what you can find inside is actually a really nice microfiber cloth. I think after some time it do trap some dust over here, as you can see, but all the way to the details whereby you can see the screws over here and etc. It's actually very well made. Also, not to forget, on the top of the box, let me just get the right angle for you. You also can see the Officine Panerai logo right on top. So it's a pretty nice touch because it's actually metallic itself. Alright, so moving on, once after what's behind these microfiber cloths is actually the display itself. Okay, so here you can find yourself a Panerai tool. This is for strap changing, and probably I'll show another video just to show you guys how these things work. So for myself, because the previous owner actually had a little bit of accident, so you can see this tip over here is actually shortened. So I did purchase another new one, so you can see as compared to the two. Okay, you can get this relatively cheap online through AliExpress as well. So this is the original one. I think you can see there's quite a difference between the two fonts. The Officine and the Panerai just looks a little bit different, but this, because it has been used already roughly about 9 years, so you can see there's some fading. And even it's actually quite a giveaway when you open these two up and just look at inside. Can you see the hexagon over here? It's really nicely cut, but for the aftermarket one, you can see that it's not really a hexagon. There's this rounded edge over here, so I think that's a huge giveaway as compared to the real one. But overall, both does its job, just that this is the authentic one and this is the aftermarket one. Okay, so just place it back. Next thing I have on the box is actually a screwdriver itself. This is actually a very good quality one. It's a minus sign one. I'm not sure if you can capture that properly. And this is definitely used for the Panerai buckle itself. So let me just show you. So I'm actually already wearing my PAM, so I'll just show you where it works over here. So this screw fits well inside, and you can do the buckle change easily. Alright. Okay, just leave my watch over here since I've already taken it out. So this is I believe it's a stainless steel one. I don't see any logo printed here, but you can feel that it's actually quite a good quality buckle changing tool. So okay, so put that back, and this is actually the rubber protective. So how it looks, it's something like this. So just don it like a protection, so just everything goes in properly. So when I receive the watch, it's at this condition. The person sell it this way, so everything is protected inside the case so that you don't have accidental bumps with like the screwdrivers or any other metallic parts. So it looks something like this for the protection. Okay, so just put it back. Okay, so other than this, I do have the authentic rubber strap, and this is really damn hard now because it is quite an old mod. It's quite an old rubber strap because this watch has been out for 9 years already. So this is the authentic rubber strap itself. So as compared to the AliExpress one, I think it's pretty significant if you can see the difference. Let me try to get maybe the same layout. Okay, so in terms of quality wise, this silicone strap is very soft. Okay, this is a bit stiffer, and because it's already like 9 years old, it's like super stiff. But for this strap, it's you can see the Panerai logo. The real one, the authentic one, it's much more distinct, and you can see from the difference between the letter A. The authentic one is just more refined as compared to the normal one that I have. Okay, so the seller also told me that he lost one buckle over here, but it was alright lah, because it was completed in terms of like, I mean, the most importantly for me is actually the watch, because I'm gonna change out the straps anyway. For Panerai, they usually come with authentic leather, but because it's 9 years old, the authentic leather was so worn, the previous seller actually just throw it away, and this is like the aftermarket one. So I do have another black color leather straps, and this actually to keep the buckle. So for this, it's an aftermarket one, so you see there's no Panerai logo, but for this is the original one. So I'm actually using on the rubber strap that I recently purchased. Okay, so I'll just put everything back first. So I'll go through other stuffs inside the box. Okay, I think I can just stick out this way. So what's underneath the box is actually some booklets, and this is with regards to, I believe, a warranty and etc. So yes, owner and so forth. Okay, so this one, I believe this is the manual itself. So Luminor Marina 1953 day automatic. So this is the watch. I believe this is the watch manual itself. So they teach you how to use the watch over time. Okay, so this is actually part of inside the collection. So let me just place everything back properly. So just put this on top, and you can slot the upper deck right back into the box itself. Okay, so with that, that's actually the unboxing video of my Panerai watch, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!